So Mr. Avdesh Kumar had an episode of blood in his cough, following which he was investigated by his doctors, and they came to know that there is a mass in his lower lobe of his right lung, which on further tests proved to be a lung cancer.
एक संडे को मुझे लेटा हुआ था तो कुछ खांसी सी आई तो लगा कि गले में कुछ फंस रहा है, तो वापस आ वाश बेसिन में गया तो मेरे गले से ब्लड सा आया, तो मुझे काफ़ी डर लगा मतलब उस समय, लेकिन मैंने हिम्मत नहीं करी, अपने घर वालों से शेयर नहीं किया उस समय.
When my father was diagnosed with lung cancer, so it came out as a situation like we have never handled it before, and we just heard about cancer happening, so we were like bit scared, as initially everyone thinks like it cannot be cured, and now people are hopeless about it.
Robotic surgery is the latest technology which is being used in the treatment of lung cancer. It offers precision surgery, maximal surgery in a least invasive way. After robotic surgery, the pain is very less, blood loss is less, and the recovery is fastest. They agreed for the procedure. He underwent a robotic lobectomy and mediastinal lymph node dissection. The final biopsy report came and he was advised chemotherapy.
So we decided that we'll offer him chemotherapy, and he successfully completed 4 cycles of chemotherapy. The field has changed dramatically, and now for patients like Mr. Avdesh Kumar, we do special tests like PDL1, and if the tests are high, patients like him will also be candidates for immunotherapy, which will further reduce the chance of the disease coming back. For the time being, Mr. Avdesh is doing very well on therapy. There's no evidence of any risk of recurrence at this time, and I wish him all the very best.
अब मैं बिल्कुल ठीक महसूस कर रहा हूँ, तो मुझे अगर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं मिलता तो शायद मैं सर्जरी के लिए भी सोचता कि करूँ कि ना करूँ, या कहीं और धक्के खाता. तो अच्छी गाइडेंस दी है मुझे डॉक्टर साहब ने, और अब मैं क्योर हो गया, और मैं सभी का तहे दिल से थैंक यू करता हूँ, ये मुझे मेरे इलाज में फुल सपोर्ट किया है.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest healthcare updates.